Good afternoon everybody, Christopher from All Things Prepping. In this video I just want to share some ideas regarding prepping and more specifically why I prep. If you talk to anyone, most guys will think that if you are a prepper you are preparing for the end of the world or for something almost a disaster that's going to end everything and so forth. But that's not always true. I've had a couple of instances in the last couple of days or last couple of weeks that comes down to prepping is for everyday people, for everyday situations. So in this video I'm just going to share one of the instances that I've got that I had today, where my preps actually came and saved the day, making life a little bit easier and a little bit more normal than usual. Yeah, every now and again things don't always go to your planning or the way that you plan things to happen. Today is one of those days. In my infinite wisdom and some haste, this morning I forgot to take my lunch box with. I just confirmed with Elma it is still at home, doing its little bit there, which is not helping me because I'm not at home. So every once in a while I have to dig into my reserves in an emergency like today, and today is one of those days where I have to dig into my MREs, and yeah, I am eating a biryani beef MRE from Ration Tech, Ration Tech, that I bought a while back. Got it in my bag, and today it is time to put that to use again and chow down. So I'll let you know what happens. The biggest advantage to this is that it doesn't require any preparation. You just literally rip it open and you can dig into it. You can eat it hot, but like today it's not going to happen. So some cold biryani for me. It's not bad. It's not something that I would like to eat cold every day, but today it's going to work and it's going to be alright. So yeah, I will be able to survive the day, and hope to see you on the next one soon. Yeah, just a further note on this meal that I've got. The expiry date on this thing is the 11th of November 2025. I've eaten it now halfway. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Once again, it all depends on how you store it and things like that. This is still good. I don't know. Also, this is just one more incident that proves that being prepared doesn't always equate with being the end of the world. Some normal, real life, everyday situations do happen, and once they do happen, it makes your life just that little bit easier at the end of the day if you are prepared. So prepping is definitely for emergencies, but it's also in preparation of everyday instances and situations that happen. So yeah, with that being said, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed my brunch, and until the next one, keep on prepping.